Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Monday, January the 8th, 2024. Crazy. So, quick recap on how my day went today. If you so just to clear things up, make sure everyone's on the same page. This is a new and fresh 150K funded account. If you are not sure why and what happened to my 150K account I was trading last week, then go watch the video on Friday because I'm not going to go into it. But we have a new account and started off on the right foot. Had a nice green day today, $691 in profit. And today was it was one of those days where the market only went higher. We had some pullbacks, but for the most part, the market, it literally started off this morning. It opened at 511 and just, ripped higher. Very little pullbacks. And we are ending the day right now. Basically, we went above 800. So an 300 point move higher today. And I love days like this. I love the trending days. And honestly, I'm really happy with the $691. Don't get me wrong. But I left a lot of money on the table today. I did. Like this trade here, I basically just kind of took a quick scalp. I was kind of at the point where I was just not sure if this market really could keep going higher. And I trusted my setups and I entered, but I was a little bit quicker to take my profits. And probably, yeah, I definitely left some money on the table on my runner. Could have had a really nice runner, but again, I'm happy. And we ended green, which I really needed after how we ended the week last week. And just, I also reviewing my trading from last week. It was actually kind of encouraging in a weird way because looking at my trading and how I was trading last week, I was just doing some really dumb things that I know better. And going back and looking at it really helped me to understand that, okay, this is fixable. Like I need to just not do these dumb things where I was being impatient and I had FOMO, and I was just some bad habits. And hopefully I definitely needed a green day today just to get a green day under my belt and give me some more confidence and make sure that I'm following my plan, or I guess following what I know, and not doing those dumb things. So, but yeah, I could definitely. This is one of those days where I was just looking to buy pullbacks, and there were a lot more opportunities. There were a lot more entries here that I could have taken. I was a little bit cautious today. I kind of went in today with the mentality of I don't want to take a lot of trades. I kind of want to take it slow and just not, giving. I didn't want to all of a sudden be giving back a lot of profits. And it was kind of important to me just to end the day green and start this off on the right foot. So we did that. So happy with that. And we will take it. Looking at our TradeZella for this account, $691 in profit. Obviously, this is our first day, so we don't have a lot of data. We took 3 trades for the day. We only took 3 trades, so definitely could have taken more. Also, before I move on, right before I started stream, or before I ended stream, it was just announced that Apex is doing their passing evals in one day. They just announced they're doing that again. They did it last month. And they are doing it again this month, and it is good until January 11th. So passing evals in one day, if that's important to you and something that that you love, I guess that is awesome. Okay, so moving on to the 50K accounts. So the 50K accounts, let me switch the TradeZella account. So here is the TradeZella. Ended the day. You can see I only took 31 trades total. And you can see here, only traded 5 of these accounts. And right now, kind of the way I do it every day is I start at the top, which is the highest. These are sorted by balance. So I start with the highest balance, and that's what I trade first. And then I trade these only in groups of 2 and 3. So I didn't really make it down the line that far. I just honestly didn't trade these that much. And I should have. A trending day like today. Yeah, this is when I like to really capitalize on some of these moves with these 50K accounts. And honestly, I was a little bit distracted today with work. We had some issues at work, so that was part of it. And then I just didn't really have time to focus on it. So it just kind of slipped by the wayside, but either way, it's fine. We ended in green on all the 5 accounts, which was a total of $235. So we will take it, and a good start to the week. Hopefully we can keep it going this week. But that's it. That's it for today. Thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you, and God bless.